We've all been there. You're rushing to finish a project, but your computer has other plans. The cursor crawls at a snail's pace. Programs take ages to open, if they even open at all. The whirring fan becomes a constant, unwelcome companion. This agonizing slowdown is often a sign of high CPU usage, a common culprit behind frustrating PC performance. But don't despair. Just like a mechanic fine-tunes an engine, we can optimize our Windows 10 or 11 machines to run smoother and faster. This guide will equip you with the knowledge and tools to tackle high CPU usage head-on, restoring your PC to its former glory. We'll break down each step in simple terms, empowering you to take control of your computer's performance. Whether you're a tech novice or a seasoned user, this guide has something for you. We'll demystify technical jargon, providing clear explanations and practical tips that anyone can follow. By the end, you'll have the confidence to diagnose and fix high CPU usage, ensuring your PC operates at its peak potential. Get ready to say goodbye to lag and hello to a faster, more responsive computing experience. Before we dive into solutions, let's understand the heart of the problem: CPU usage. Think of your computer's CPU as its brain, constantly processing instructions to run programs, display images, and execute every command you give it. CPU usage refers to the percentage of your CPU's processing power being utilized at any given moment. When you open a program or browse the web, your CPU allocates resources to handle those tasks. The more demanding the task, the higher the CPU usage. A certain level of CPU usage is normal, even healthy. However, consistently high CPU usage above 80% is a red flag. It signifies that your CPU is overwhelmed, struggling to keep up with the demands placed upon it. This overload leads to the sluggishness we dread: slow application launches, unresponsive windows, and even system crashes. Identifying the causes of high CPU usage is crucial to fixing the problem. Is a rogue program hogging resources? Are too many applications running simultaneously? Or is a more serious issue at play? In the following sections, we'll explore the common culprits and provide step-by-step instructions to reclaim your PC's performance. Windows comes equipped with a powerful tool for monitoring system performance: the Task Manager. This handy utility provides a real-time view of your CPU usage, allowing you to pinpoint resource-intensive processes. Think of it as your PC's performance dashboard, offering valuable insights into what's happening behind the scenes. To access Task Manager, right-click on your taskbar and select Task Manager. Alternatively, press Ctrl plus Shift plus ESC. In the Processes tab, you'll see a list of all running programs and background processes. The CPU column displays the percentage of CPU each process is currently using. Sort the list by CPU usage to identify the biggest resource hogs. If a program is consistently consuming a large chunk of your CPU, even when you're not actively using it, that's a sign of a potential problem. Right-click on the offending process and select End Task to terminate it. Be cautious, however, as ending essential system processes can lead to instability. If you're unsure, research the process online before taking action. Section 4. Taming startup programs. A smoother boot awaits. Remember the days of instant-on computers? While we haven't quite achieved that utopia, we can significantly improve boot times by managing startup programs. Each time you start your computer, a slew of applications might automatically launch in the background, even if you rarely use them. These programs consume valuable CPU cycles and memory, slowing down your PC's startup. Thankfully, Windows provides an easy way to control which programs launch at startup. Open Task Manager by pressing Ctrl, Shift, and Escape, and navigate to the Startup tab. Here, you'll find a list of all programs configured to start with Windows. The Startup Impact column indicates how much each program affects your boot time. Disable unnecessary programs by right-clicking and selecting Disable. Focus on programs you rarely use or those with a high startup impact. Don't worry, disabling a program from startup doesn't remove it from your computer. You can still launch it manually whenever you need to. By streamlining your startup programs, you'll free up system resources and enjoy a faster, more responsive boot experience. Section 5. The Silent Threat. Safeguarding your PC from malware. Sometimes the culprit behind high CPU usage isn't a demanding program but a silent intruder: malware. Malicious software such as viruses, worms, and trojans can wreak havoc on your PC. consuming resources for nefarious purposes like cryptocurrency mining or data theft. Protecting your PC from malware is crucial for maintaining optimal performance. Install a reputable antivirus program and keep it updated. Windows 10 and 11 come with built-in protection in the form of Windows Defender, which provides real-time threat detection and removal. Regularly scan your system for malware using your chosen antivirus software. Schedule automatic scans to ensure your PC stays protected. Be cautious when downloading files from the internet or opening email attachments from unknown senders. Malware often disguises itself as legitimate software, so always err on the side of caution. Section 6. Drivers, the unsung heroes of hardware harmony. Drivers act as translators between your computer's operating system and its hardware components. They ensure that your graphics card, network adapter, printer, and other devices work seamlessly with Windows. Outdated or incompatible drivers can lead to conflicts resulting in high CPU usage and system instability. Keeping your drivers up to date is essential for maintaining a healthy PC. Windows Update usually handles driver updates automatically, but you can also manually update them through Device Manager. To access Device Manager, right-click on the Start button and select Device Manager. Expand the categories to find the device you want to update. Right-click on the device and select Update Driver. Choose the option to search automatically for updated driver software. If Windows finds a newer driver, it will download and install it automatically.